Good morning, everybody. So I got up early to leave Austin. I'm sorry, y'all. It's too hot out here. What in the world? The humidity is insane. I was gonna go to Round Top, but I saw 109 with like 80% humidity or whatever, and I was like, nah, man, that's not for me. So I am skipping Round Top, and I've been driving around the between Waco and Fort Worth area, desperately searching for this antique mall that I promised I would go back to last year. Last year I kind of came down here on a whim, rented a car and drove around. It's kind of what inspired this whole thing, this one antique mall. Well, really the whole experience. But I finally think I found it. I drove to one that was definitely not it. I just kept going. I think I went there last time and I wasn't that impressed. So I'm gonna get back in the car. I just gassed up. I'm about 30 minutes out from where this all began. And yes, I found it by going through my old videos and retracing my steps. Sometimes when you guys ask me where I am, I honestly don't know where I am. So I found it, let's go. I found it. I ended up tracking it down off a little bit of text on part of a wall mural I saw in the background in one of my videos. I am so freaking stoked to be back here. Right off the bat, I'm grabbing a basket and going straight to this 50% off booth, and I'm going straight for the fish. 10 bucks, sold. That's why I didn't stop at the other place. I knew this was gonna be a whole day excursion. All right, now look at the little drummer boy. This one's also a 10. That's pretty fantastic. I think I'll grab that. Oh my gosh, look at this clown. How fantastic is he? Let's see what else they have in here. Oh my gosh, I'm like so excited. Look at these funny things. Wow, I really need to take my time because I remember I wanted to get everything in this place. I ended up spending an insane amount of money to UPS my stuff that I bought here back home because I just couldn't help myself. That's kind of neat. Oh my gosh, there's just stuff everywhere. I'm super overwhelmed. I'm a wraparound. Look at how funny this towel box is. This pearl, I think this is a music box. It is. Wow. Oh my gosh, okay. There's a booth in here that I'm about to tear up, which is why I'm being kind of weird about grabbing stuff, because I know it's gonna get ugly. That is so cute. I couldn't even wait. I decided to bypass the rest of the booths and go straight for this one. And she says that she opened another booth as well. So, oh my gosh, so stinking cute. Talk about kitsch. So I just left my basket there. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is fantastic. $8, I love that. Wait, look at this. So cute. It's got a little damage. This one's adorable. 13. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Oh, this is gonna be such a thing. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through the whole booth before I start grabbing stuff, because I know this is gonna be a whole thing. This. I'm too lazy to work and too nervous to steal. Wait, stop. Look at these. Oh my gosh. I lied. I'm just grabbing these. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hold up. I can't even. Oh my gosh, and these are in their original packaging. I'm freaking out right now. Oh my gosh, I'm buying this. $17. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm like legit shaking right now. Oh my gosh, look at this box. $9. That is so cute. Sold. And look at this frog, how fun. $4. Scrub brush holder. Oh my gosh, stop right now. This is too much excitement for me, you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hang in there. Those seashell girls don't sell well for me. I've tried before, and they're so easily broken. Oh my gosh, wait, this chick. I can't even focus. $40. Oh, that's so cute, though. Oh my gosh, this whole ensemble. Wait, is this a... Oh my gosh, I've never seen this. $15 sold. I've never seen this version of the three-faced. Stuff like this usually sells pretty well. Oh my gosh, look at the little flower clip. I'm freaking out. This is so fun. Oh my gosh. Stop it right now. This is like one of the best things I've ever seen, and it's in perfect condition. $13 definitely sold. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get rid of that. Santa savings? What are these fun glasses? Oh my gosh. Oh. Wow, Junkin' Palooza. I'm gonna remember that this time. What is this? Oh, that is so cute. I think it's got like a really romantic message on it, if I'm not mistaken. Definitely grabbing that. Okay, I didn't even finish that booth because I'm so distracted. There's yet another one. $10. Oh my gosh, look at that skunk. That is coming with me. What about the frog? He's got a little bit of damage on him, but still cute. 15. I can't do that with the damage. Oh my gosh, the trivet. Is that a trivet? What is that? Side tray. Vintage side tray? Stop it. That's so cute. $15. I feel like that's awesome. I might grab that. I'm just so overwhelmed right now. I mean, I have been... Look at this garment bag. Oh my gosh. This cake tray. It's a music box too. Does it work? As is. It doesn't work, but it's still fabulous, and it's coming with me. I, like, honest to God, don't know how to calm down right now. I'm trying so hard. Eyeball game. That's so fun. Snap bonnet. What is this? I need to open this. Hold on, I need both hands. So it's a little broken. It opens at the wrong side, but it's got a little rain cap in it for $5. This is too cute not to. I have to get this. What is this? Are they blocks? Oh, those are really cool. Huh. Interesting. Poodle. $10. It's got a little damage. Probably be able to pop that out, but it's a little bit more than I'd like to pay for my purposes. And what is this? The graphics on that are amazing. Made in Germany. What is it? Full view mini mirror. Wait, does this have it in the... Oh my gosh, stop it. This is so fun. I love the box on that. Oh, I'm so overwhelmed. Oh my gosh. What is this? How cute. Oh my gosh. So unfortunately the dress was a little small for me, but that's okay. I don't need more clothing. This is very cool. 1970s mushroom and clip-on earring set. I'm trying to find if it's marked. It's $40, so it's 20 because all jewelry is 50% off. I'm not sure about this. I kind of feel like someone would be upset if I left it. I feel like I'd make money on it, but I'm gonna keep looking. I'm probably gonna be here for a while. Oh my gosh, in this box. $10. Definitely sold. I can't believe it. This is fantastic. I love the graphic on it. So great. Oh, I'm all over the place right now. I'm just, oh my gosh, wait, stop. 50% off. 30 for that one, 12 for that one. How much is that one? 30, so 15. That's really cool. The teacher's pins. Oh my gosh, I just want to get everything. Let's see what's over here. This is very cool. This lenticular Marlboro button. I'm gonna buy that. It's very cool. All right, what about in here? This is cool. Love the dress. Ooh, those are fun. Made in India. I like the leopard cuff, even though it's new. Bakelite, 14, so 7. Well, I'm gonna grab this. Let's see what else we can find in here. And what about these jewelry boxes? That's so cute. I love these ones. I'm gonna use both hands for this. I'm actually gonna go ahead and pass on these. Wow. Cool, cool, cool. Now this, 13. I think I sold these for like 35 a pop or something. And they weren't in the original packaging. I think I have to get a couple of these. 13, 26. Look at all these amazing little beaded bags. The compacts. All about retail. What is that? Is that a lipstick? Yeah, vintage paper mache lipstick holder. $40, so I can't do much with that. Look at this fun. Oh my gosh, $20 so. And I'm nervous about picking up fakes now that Yvonne gave me the heads up that I was looking at fakes earlier. Oh my gosh, wait, this. That is amazing. I think I need to get in there. I can't see how much it is. The rouge. Oh my gosh, Elsie the cow. These are really pretty too. I have a feeling they're probably gonna be, oh wait, maybe it's open. So far, this is the one I'm most interested in. It's $10, but it has a little damage. What is this one? Pierced earring caddy? How cute. Wait, look at this. A little manicure set. 13. What does this say? Earring nest. Oh, so sweet. 15 though, that's probably about retail. What about this fun turquoise one? All right, so I picked out some more jewelry. All of this is 50% off. So I have this owl, these little roses, so cute. That's made in Japan. That only comes to $2. Toilet paper cat, couldn't resist it for. This one's pretty great too, with the wing dangly tails. And this cat. And then all of these, as well as this green glass bangle for $3. Really good deals. I mean, these are anywhere from 6 to 10, but all 50% off. Oh my gosh, look at the cat painting. That's fun. 35, no discount. I could still probably make money on that, but I'm trying to go through oh my gosh. I need to go through this whole place. I mean, this place is 3 floors and I've only gone to like a couple booths. Wait, what did that say? I can't get the tag. I'm so out of my mind. I think that says $4. Does it? I don't think so. That doesn't make any sense. Huh. I'm gonna see if that says $4 or $14. But also this sold. Oh my gosh, look at this bangle I just scooped up for $1. There's another one up here. $1 polka dot. That's fun. Now, I still haven't even finished with this booth. The Cupid's at 13. Yeah, it's gonna be like a whole thing. These are fun, these vintage airline buttons. Wait, Little Miss Pixie. I've never seen a yellow Little Miss Pixie. $13? Well, I'm grabbing that. These usually sell for about $38, $39 in good condition, and that's the pink one. I've never even seen this yellow one with the daisies. And oh my gosh, this is so overwhelming. Special greeting cards. I'm gonna have to go through all the paper. Jack and Jill. How fantastic, this plaque. That's so fun. $5 made in England. I'm grabbing that. And it's pink. I don't even know if the camera, there it is. Oh, so cute. I know I diss on Avon sometimes, but not that stuff. That stuff's adorable. I don't want to bring anything home with liquid or any lingering scent, though. That's for sure. I refuse to ship liquid. That's so cute. Another cat planter, 17 on that one. I think that's a little close for that. And I love that Cupid doll. Oh my gosh, the cake toppers. So fun. Those are kind of hard to ship though. Oh, I'm so overwhelmed. I need to take another break from this booth. I can only do a little bit at one time. Oh my gosh, look at this is amazing. With the key? I wonder if I could make money off that stuff. I feel like I could. Just how much is the question. $30 is a lot to spend for a single item up front, considering how much damage I'm doing / about to be doing. Wait, look at this jewelry situation happening. I think it's still 50% off all jewelry. That's fun too.